At Winnect, we specialize in high-quality hose, cable, and cord reels designed to enhance efficiency, safety, and performance. Our spring-driven reels provide durable, reliable solutions for a wide range of industries, from construction to automotive, aviation, and beyond. With over 2,000 reel solutions, we handle everything from air, water, and oil, to chemicals and natural gas. Winnect's hydraulic and electro-hydraulic reels are built for mobile equipment, ensuring smooth power transmission even in the toughest environments. With a pressure rating up to 700 bar, our reels excel in demanding work conditions. With exceptional durability, corrosion resistance, and up to 300,000 cycles of operation, our reels promise long-lasting performance. From high-pressure capacity to customizable solutions, Winnect meets all your reel needs. Whether it's construction machinery, industrial fluid transfer, or specialized vehicles, Winnect reels are engineered for efficiency and safety in every application. For reliable, high-performance reel solutions, trust Winnect. Power your equipment, optimize your site, and reduce maintenance costs with our top-quality reels.